Hi friends and students. In my first video, so we discussed up to 40 squares and also squares ending with the 5s. Hope everybody is clear with that, right? And almost many of them even called me and sent me messages also. They got very comfortable. Those who knows about my number and all. Thanks for your feedback, and even I got feedback from elders, senior citizens too. So I'm really feeling very happy when I heard such a type of feedback from us, from senior citizens too. Thanks to everyone. And now continuation in part 2, I thought of moving ahead with 41 to 60 squares and also 91 to 110 squares and all. Before that, so many of the students requested, sir, everybody feeling very difficult in simplifications with BODMAS rules, even divisibility rules, these things and all. So anyhow, so first today we are going ahead with BODMAS rules. I'm not giving a complete in detail explanation here. So I'm giving you how to solve the problem in simplification by using BODMAS rule. You are going to solve these 5 questions. You are going to solve these 5 questions and post me the answers in comment section. Are you clear? So you just note down all these 5 questions and post me the answers in comment section. And 2 to 3 days time we will discuss in detail about this BODMAS rule. Taking this BODMAS rule as part 1, we will go ahead with the further parts in future, so that you should never get any doubts in solving the problems under BODMAS rule. Hope everybody knows about BODMAS, right? So even if whenever I am asking in class, students, everybody says BODMAS. Yes sir, we do know. B means brackets, O means off is nothing but order. So what is the meaning of say O means order or exponentials or powers. Here whenever I mention off is nothing but a multiplication. So remember, whenever we mention off, it is nothing but a multiplication. So it can be normally O means order, it can be powers also. So that we will discuss later whenever such type of questions are coming. Here off means in place of off we need to replace with into multiplication symbol. Next comes D, division, M for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. So B as for bracket. So O means here I mentioned as off is nothing but a multiplication. Normally say O means order is nothing but powers or exponentials. So those problems not being given here. Here I have mentioned only off. Wherever off is there, you need to substitute with the multiplication. Clear? Next one, division. Then comes multiplication. Wherever into symbol is there, we need to go ahead with the multiplication, addition, and subtraction. This BODMAS can also be called as BODISA. So many of them say it as BODISA, that nothing but brackets of division is common. I means into and multiplication both are same. So right, a BODISA. And here subtraction and addition, instead of addition and subtraction and addition. So why this is being given? Remember, till this one, everybody has to follow the same pattern. First brackets, next wherever off is there, we need to go ahead with the multiplication. Next we need to go ahead with the division. Then only wherever into symbol is there, we need to go ahead with the multiplication. Though off and multiplication are same, both should not be used simultaneously. Remember, though both and off and multiplication are same, so both should not be used simultaneously. First brackets, simplify all brackets inside, and then you should go for off. Wherever off is there, we need to go ahead with the multiplication. Then you should come for division. Then only we need to go ahead with the multiplication. Finally, whenever you are left with only addition and subtractions, you can do either one. So only addition and subtractions you are left with, you can do either one. First you can do all additions, then subtractions, or first you do all subtractions and then additions. Nothing wrong in that. So BODMAS, how to solve the problem? So first we need to finish wherever brackets are there, we need to simplify brackets. Then we should go ahead with the off is here nothing but a multiplication. And both off and multiplication should not be used simultaneously. That also remember. First wherever off is there, you substitute with multiplication into symbol. Then you go ahead with the division. Then for multiplication, finally addition and subtraction. So these things I hope I am clear, and you are also clear how to solve the problems. Here I have mentioned 5 questions. Do mention me all 5 questions answers in comments. I will discuss each one by one, each question, and in detail explanation will be given. Though take it as a part 1. We will go ahead with the BODMAS rule, another second part, third part, like that, till you people feel comfortable, you feel comfortable, because this is very important chapter indeed. Definitely 10 to 15 questions in any pattern of examination only based on simplification rules will be given, and many of them, though they feel that very much comfortable with the BODMAS rules, they will be making many mistakes in the examination. Why they are doing many mistakes and all, so once you post these answers and all, we will discuss in the next session. Please note down the questions. And first one is 20 plus 10 minus 30 divided by 10 into 3 of 3 minus 9. Second one, 10 plus 20 minus 30 divided by 3 of 10 into 3 minus 30. Third one, 5 plus 2 minus 2 into 10 divided by 5 of 4 into 10 minus 40 divided by 4 into 5 plus 20. Fourth one, 10 divided by 5 into 2 minus 10 brackets 5 plus 2 minus 7 into 2 plus 2 brackets close minus 10 into 5 divided by 5 of 2 into 4 minus 8. The last one, fifth one, 15 plus 3 minus 3 plus 2 into 5 divided by 10 into 2 of 2 plus 4 brackets 20 plus 10 divided by 10 of 4 into 8 minus 8 brackets close. All the best again. I need to see many of you getting right answers. My friends and students, I'm not giving explanation here, right? So I mentioned you how to solve the problem. I told you how to solve the problem in BODMAS rule. Why I'm not giving explanation? Because you should know where you are committing mistakes while doing the problems under simplification based on BODMAS rules. Where and all you are committing mistakes, you should understand. That is the reason I am not giving any explanation here. So try to post all the answers in comment section. Later we will discuss each one by one. Then definitely you will come to know where and all you have committed the mistake, and next time onwards you will make all right answers. Hope you understand my intention clearly, and please post your answers in the comment section, which we will discuss in detail later.